Look. Yes, sit. Turn. Get longer in your legs. Very nice. Okay, if she's going to the right or to the left, yes, slowly take the roll out, send her to the bit, but don't correct with left or right rein, okay? I prefer you take roll out, so you have two reins that say stay in the corridor. Put the roll out if you need. Push her in your hands, slowly, yes. Sit, get longer in your legs. Get longer in your knees. Slow down your seat. Right, left. Slow down. Still right, but slow down. There you are. There you are. Oh, there's a big flight. Right shoulder, bring it to the left. Slow down your seat just a little bit. Don't hold your knees. Good job. And stop. Good.